We have the TONBUX Sports Scooter. You just pivot this way. If you want to turn right, you pivot that way. The wheels are lighting up, so the faster the child goes, even the rear wheel lights up as well. And there's a brake on the back of it. So you just step on the back there to brake, push it up, pull it down. Locks into place. Push the button, pull, lock it into place. To adjust the handlebar, you lift this, snap it all the way up to the top so that you're at almost a 90-degree angle, then push this button in, and now you can adjust it to any height for your child.